Asus has officially released the highly anticipated Zenfone 12 Ultra, launching earlier than expected. The device boasts a comprehensive suite of high-end features such as Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, more, delivering an enhanced user experience. The chipset offers 45% higher CPU performance, 40% faster GPU speeds, and 40% improved NPU efficiency. The smartphone comes with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. A major highlight of the Zenfone 12 Ultra is its advanced artificial intelligence-powered capabilities, which include both on-device and cloud AI processing. The handset integrates Meta's Llama 3 8B model for high-quality text summarization, AI call translator 2.0 for real-time voice translations across both native and third-party VoIP apps, and AI Transcript 2.0, which provides multi-speaker recognition, transcription, and summarization, streamlining workflows for users. The Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra has received significant upgrades in its camera system, making it an ideal choice for photography enthusiasts. Additionally, the 32MP telephoto lens supports 3x optical zoom and 10 to 30x hyperclarity zoom, while the 32MP front-facing selfie camera ensures high-quality images. The 6.78-inch OLED LTPO display, offering a 1 to 120Hz refresh rate, 144Hz for gaming, 2500 nits peak brightness, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. For battery performance, the Zenfone 12 Ultra is powered by a 5500 mAh dual-cell battery, supporting 65-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, promising up to 26 hours of continuous use. The device retains a 3.5mm headphone jack integrated with Dirac Virtue for Headphones technology for an immersive acoustic experience. Also includes multi-magnet stereo speakers for high-fidelity audio output. The Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra is offered in 3 dazzling hues, including sage green, ebony black, and sakura white. The Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra has officially debuted in Europe, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. It's priced at €1,100, but early buyers from February 6 to 28 can purchase it at a special price of €1,000.